Welcome back to Cyber Learnings, your go-to channel for all things in tech. We'll share 5 amazing WhatsApp tips to enhance your messaging experience. Tip 1. Share your live location. Tired of explaining where you are in text messages? Open a chat, tap the clip icon, and select Share Location. Choose how long to share, and voila! Your live location is sent. To see who has access, go to Settings, Privacy, Live Location. Tip 2. Mark important messages. Keep essential chats at the top. Pull the message and tap the top bar to pin it. Now, vital conversations are always within reach. Tip 3. Customize wallpapers. Add a personal touch to your chats. Tap the contact's name, then Wallpaper. Choose from categories or use your image as the background. Tip 4. Use disappearing messages. Running low on space? Set messages to disappear. Go to Chat Settings, Privacy, Disappearing Messages. Choose a time, and messages will automatically vanish. Tip 5. Send View Once photos. Share photos that can be viewed only once. Tap the photo icon and select one. Remember though, screenshots are still possible. These 5 WhatsApp tips and tricks will elevate your messaging game. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Cyber Learnings. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for awesome content.